A warm greeting to all viewers. In this comprehensive lesson, we will thoroughly learn and gain a clear understanding of the precise and correct way to permanently delete your videos on the popular TikTok application. This process ensures that your content is completely removed and no longer accessible. So, before we move on to the detailed explanation and step-by-step guide, if this is your first time watching, don't forget to support me by clicking the subscribe and follow buttons, liking and sharing this video with your friends and family. Now, you can simply open the TikTok application as you usually would. Then, proceed to tap on the profile icon, which is located from this particular spot. After that, all of the various videos that you have previously posted on your personal TikTok account will then appear for your viewing. For example, I will delete this video. I will now proceed to tap on it, and then subsequently, you will need to tap on these three distinct dots that are precisely located right here on the screen. After that, this particular interface will clearly appear on your screen, as you can easily see. So, from these readily available options presented here at the bottom of your screen, carefully swipe to the left. Then, gently tap on this specific option clearly labeled Delete, and immediately after that, tap on this Delete option once again to confirm. As you can now clearly see, the video I previously posted on my TikTok account has been successfully deleted. You can easily apply this same step to all your other videos. If you've reached this point, don't forget to check out this playlist. The comprehensive playlist contains some TikTok tutorials where you'll find important and valuable guides that you'll surely like and significantly benefit from.